With over 830 million websites and blogs created through WordPress, it's a great platform to leverage for your money-making goals. WordPress offers a variety of ways for you to bring in money, including affiliate marketing, advertising, and selling digital products. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting someone else's products or services. WordPress makes it easy to integrate affiliate links and track your earnings. Advertising is another great way to profit from your website. You can host ads from Google AdSense or other networks on your website and earn a percentage of the revenue from clicks or impressions. If you have a digital product, such as an ebook or online course, you can sell it easily through WordPress. Use a plugin like WooCommerce to set up a storefront and accept payments. In addition to these methods, there are also opportunities for sponsored content and paid collaborations with brands. So what are you waiting for? Turn WordPress into your ultimate money-making solution today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to make money online.